Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your TikTok watch history. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, and after that, please leave us a like and let's proceed to this guide. Now first thing you're going to do is to open your TikTok account. Now as you can see, there are videos playing. Whether you have liked it or not, you could already see these videos in your watch history. Now if I'm going to refresh this one, this gives us another sets of videos. Now if we are looking for a previous videos that we have recently watched, we can press on the profile button, and then once we're in our profile page, look for the three horizontal lines on the upper right of your screen, tap it, and then tap settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you can scroll down below to content and display. Under content and display section, look for comment and watch history. Tap it, and then we could see there is watch history and comment history. Now, for comment history, it is the videos that we have recently commented or we have commented. On watch history are the videos that we have watched. So as we tap it, we could already see the videos that we have watched, even though we haven't reacted to it. So there it is. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have learned something from this video.